Good morning, Professor. I have completed my project, and this is JSON to XML conversion. And this is the project paper which I have created, and it has everything the from abstract, introduction, and what is DSL, and JSON format, XML format, what are the methodologies we have, and how the software is designed using Angular 4. And this is the lexer and parser rule for JSON. So all the information pertaining to this JSON to XML is being documented, and these are the work I have done the past 1 month for the project. So everything is listed here, and it's documented here, and how I implemented, and these are the result and the system recommend conclusion and reference. So this I prepared as part of the project, and I have one PowerPoint presentation. This PowerPoint presentation is having the voice recording, and you can also have that. I will upload that in Moodle. So this will explain the paper and my work related to uh, this project. So this video is uh, for explaining the coding part. So I will start with the coding now. And so this is the format I have developed in C Sharp.net, and this is Visual Studio IDE. And with Angular 4, I have implemented. Angular 4 is popular DSL tool, and it makes developers' life easy. And I have included this Angular 4 runtime. Angular 4 runtime needs JSON Java runtime, so Java is also installed in the machine. Um, so um, Handler provides one file format called G4. G4 is a grammar file uh, supported by Angular. So I can create this, and this is the grammar file for JSON to XML conversion. So first of all, we need to identify the JSON format using this grammar, and these are the parsing rules uh, available this file, and these are the lexical rules. So Angular allows to mix both the things, and JSON has two things. The root element can have an instance or a list. Instance is nothing but a key value pair set of it can be any number of key value pair, and list is yeah, it's an array, so it can start with a square bracket and ends with square bracket. And and key value pair is a string on the left side, which is the key, that is name of the property, and value is the actual value. This value is, again, it can be a string number, and again it can be an instance. So it will form a tree, and it will go on until the final identifier hits. It can be value can be list, or a boolean value, or null, anything. So based on this, Antler 4 automatically generates the set of files. These are the supporting classes which can be used by the programmers to get their desired result. So this is the converter uh, class I have written, and here I'm getting the JSON string, and I'm passing that to Angular stream. Angular stream object is being passed to the lexer, and the lexer object is given to the token stream. This token stream again, it's been passed to the parser tree. Parser tree this parser converts that this parser JSON parser object then it will be converted to a parser tree, and this parser tree, mm, now it's ready to use for our XML conversion. And XML conversion is done by this XML build visitor class. So this class is implemented by the base visitor. So Angular supports two type of traversing techniques. It supports visitor and listener. I'm using visitor here. Listener has event-based um, um, notification, so that I'm not using it right now. So I have chosen this visitor, and so this is the route from JSON. Basically, it starts from here, and if it is an instance, do this, resolve this. If it is a key value pair, that is, if I find some property name, put it as a element in XML. So this is the logic. So if it is a key string, like if it is a name of an employee, so that name, the property name, uh, will be substituted between this angle brackets, and this is how XML format. So XML has its own elements in an angle bracket, and value will be inside those. So that logic is uh, achieved here. This so left hand side is fine, and the right hand side is where uh, it can have n number of values, or it can have a nested object, so that can be resolved by this accept. So this will again go on and find the respective values here. So all the logic are available here. So it has visit an instance, which is this, and visit atom. So this will get the leaf element, which is here, true, false, atom number. So it can get the string visit. So whatever we defined, everything is available here. So based on that, we can get the value and convert that value into desired XML format. So this is the logic. So whatever we define in G4, everything is available here. So this is the power of Angular 4, and we got everything. Now, once it processes, we will get the XML string. So it also takes care of array. So array items are covered with this element item, and we will get that too. So if I run this program, so input format is given in a JSON file. So this is a JSON file which is in debug folder. So age 28. So here you can see age 28, and respective XML has the same result, age 28. If I change the value, and run it again, so you can see the updated value here. So it's working, and it handles um, errors also. If I type something like this, so exception will be thrown and it will be caught, and appropriate message will be displayed like error while processing input JSON. Please place uh, the input file here, and please visit this website to learn about the JSON format. So these are the error message, and error is also handled to an extent. Thank you, Professor. If you have any questions, please um, inform me. Please ask me, and I am ready to answer the questions. Thank you, Professor. Thanks for your valuable time.